So how this came about was the oven broke. We love our ovens, we love our pizzas, we love our roast, we love our stuff. The oven broke. The technician came around, oven specialist, supposedly, and he quoted a price of $360 to fix the oven. And it's basically an ignition unit, as you can see right here, that was damaged. So, you know, we went back and forth. He came down to around 280. I said, nah, it still sounds like too much. Let me give it a go myself. This is what happened. So as with all work of this kind of appliance work, first thing to do is switch off the power. Power that powers it up.
And the gas.
So we pull out frames like this. Get down the back. Pull the plug out. So I don't get shocked and die. Next we take out the contents. So we can get to this tray at the bottom. Because this range is in pretty tight, we can't turn it from left to right, so first thing first is we remove some screws from the back here. 2 screws at the back. Nice and loose. Oops. And then we remove this tray. And it comes out just like that. And there's another tray. 2 screws now at the front. Loosen that up. Remove that. Then you see the guts of the burner, and there's our baby at the back that we're going to replace. With this one. As you can see, they look the same, okay? To remove this, which is the actual burner itself, screw at the front. So we're on our 5th screw. Make sure you keep all the screws safe and somewhere that you know where to find them when you put them back in. And then screw at the back right here. That drop down the bottom, I'll retrieve that later. And hopefully this loosens this up. And then, time to take this baby out. Now there's some wires at the bottom which connect the unit itself to the power. So we're going to go underneath and just disconnect the wires. This drawer just removes. And right under there you can see the connection that we're going to disconnect right there. So this is the part where we just disconnect the white plug, as you saw, because we have the new one that's going to plug in into this. That's the end of the rod sticking out, because you can see that's ready to pull out. Might need 2 hands for this, so get the other hand in there somehow. And just pull it off. There you go. See, that's the end. So we're going to now pull those through from the top again. So here we are back at the top. You can see the rod lifts out just like that. The wire back here real easy, as you can see, that's the flamethrowers right there. And this is the problem right here, okay? So there you see the burnt out old part and the new part, which is not an original part, not a Samsung part. This one's about $25 on Amazon. You can just search it. The original part, 80 bucks to 120 bucks. But I've been told this works really well, so let's give this one a try. So here you have the two parts. This is all just like a puzzle. Take away these two screws right here. There's a little nut on the back. Again, always make sure you place your screws exactly where you can find them. Because if you lose one of these, you're probably gonna have to take a trip somewhere to get the exact size again. So I'll just take the second one out. Okay. And remove this. Just like that. And we're going to line up the second one exactly how it came off. Just like that. There's a little plate behind it. Hold it through the thread, just put it back in like that. Once you've got that fixed back in position, you just basically, as you can see, how it works is the sparks, ignitions hit the flames, or the gas, should I say the gas feed, and it lights up the whole thing. And just check that the connectors are similar, the same. The same. And we'll go back the way we started. So for replacing it, just run it back and reverse everything you just did. This looks good, looks like it'll work. Doesn't look burnt out, as you can see, so let's give it a go. So we just feed back in the rod the way it came now. And run the wires down to where they need to go. Everyone just sits down here, like this. Hole here is going to line up with that hole. And for reconnecting the wire, you just connect it back here, which I'm kind of doing the long way. I realized with two hands from the front, because of, as you can see, there's a hole at the back of the range. You could actually just go to the back and connect it from the back by pulling the two connectors through. But I'm at the front, so let me just stick my hands in and connect it here. I've got the two connectors here. Ooh, push it back on. Line it up, screw it. Okay. Take the opportunity just to clean behind the cooker a little bit. You know how dirty these get. So once you're all connected, turn the gas back on. Screw back down the pan. See? Yeah, back. So there you go, total costs $25, 45 minutes labor, 6 or 7 screws, a little bit of fiddling, and we have an oven that's working. So the oven stopped working. We called in a technician, very expensive. So I decided to, do a bit of DIY. Here's what happened. My name is Roger Drakes, Sotheby's International Realty, on a DIY flex. Trying to imagine a good video.